What are you doing there, Rudolph?
A burger, can't you see? I'm so sleepy. Ouch.
Kitty, are you okay?
I'm just fine, don't worry, I'm tough.
Sure you don't need any help, Rudolph?
Just leave me alone.
Aren't you making the burger, Kitty?
Calm down, I'm a little tired. Okay, let's begin. First I will fry the meat. Then I remove it from the pan. Oops, it fell down. And add the burger. Et voila, the burger.
Aren't you hungry?
I just told you, I'm tired. Stop telling me what to do, I'm a big kitten, I'm two already.